Okay, in this video I will show you how to make activities like questionarios. I will start with the easiest one. You log into Alexia, you go to Classroom, and you will find a taller here. Oh God. In taller you will find one that says Teresita's taller and another that says Maite's taller. Okay, this is Maite's and this is Teresita's workshop, and you're going to create here, okay, so that we can then move on and move these things to other classes. So you need to activate the pencil to create things. You have to make sure that the pencil is activated, and then you go to añadir una actividad o recurso, and we're going to create a questionnaire. The questionnaires are created in two steps. The first step is to publish the questionnaire, and the other one is to create the questions, okay? We're going to start with filling the blanks, which is the easiest kind of questionnaire you can make. You fill in the blanks, the name, descripción, you can put it or not. Temporalización is important. You have to habilitar the questionnaire so that children can do it, and they can open it from here. Okay, and now I put guardar cambios y regresar al curso. So now I will see, you see that the questionnaire is published. Now I have to make the questions. I'm going to click here to open the questionnaire. No se han agregado preguntas, so editar cuestionario. And I'm going to add one question here, agregar una pregunta. And I can choose the kind of question I'm going to add. As I said, the simplest kind of fill in the blanks exercise you can do is this one that says pregunta de rellenar espacio en blanco. The translations are horrible. Pregunta de rellenar espacio en blanco. So I put agregar. Okay, nombre de la pregunta. Suppose Alice. I'm going to this you can skip or you can put one. Okay, just texto de la pregunta, and here here you can type it, but here I have opened the Alice's birthday cake. I'm going to select, I don't want to type it, I'm going to select and copy. You can do this with books that are in PDF, but if they are scanned, if they are a photo and then taken to PDF, you will not be able to do it. But if you can, if not, you type it. But if not, you can copy this, and here I copy the text of the question to make it bigger because this font is too small. I'm going to click here on the first button. You get more options. I go to tamaño and I'm going to put it at 5. That's better. This is kind of small. I can make it bigger like this. So Alice had a wonderful dream. It was her father. Okay, I'm going to put like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put between these square brackets the word I want them to complete. Okay, so that's all I do. I put square brackets to the words that I want them to complete, and okay, all right, then when I am done, I'm done. I put guardar cambios, continuar editando. All right, and I can, when I go down again, I can have the vista previa. So it will look like this. You see, the words that I put in brackets, in square brackets, appear here. Alice had a wonderful dream. It was her 13th birthday. Her father had baked her a cake with a big frosting. Her father was giving her a beautiful doll. Okay? And that's it. Okay, you have created, so guardar cambios. And if you go back to the course, you have here fill in the blanks exercise, and the kids will be able to do it. Alright, and that's all. So it's very easy. You just create the text and you put in between square brackets the words you want them to complete. Here I put only one passage. If you want to, I'm going back to the quiz, because this is only one question. I want to show you how to, if you want to put more questions. Right here. Okay, if I am here, I put agregar una pregunta, and I do the same. In here, I can choose again what kind of question I want to add. So you can choose again rellenar, pregunta de rellenar espacio en blanco, and you add it, and you repeat the process. I hope this helps. Bye.